Here's Hanjung. You can also call me Joseph. And well, yeah, today is about a very interesting crank block system I made like several weeks ago. So, well, the first intention was I just want to create something really interesting, and it can move actually. So I chose a very classic system here. And well, there's a small motor in my home and it attached to a small gear, so that I want to make the small motor to drive to power the whole system. So I created a quite large gear at here, and because of the long tension arm from here to here, I believe it will not create a lot of stress for the small motor, so it should be moved smoothly. And yeah, it's this small stuff. Very, very interesting. So let's draw it out. And it was composed of the one gear and two column and two cylinder. And also, here's a small gap used to control the arm at here. And another small gap. So I just, print all those things out, then to assemble them together to create the whole system. Well, it's notably that at this thing, the big under thing, I will call it, just call it the base. And the base, I just want to 3D print it so that I couldn't cause a lot of waste on materials. Though the triangle is one of the most stable structure, so I use the Boolean function at here, then to subtract some of the triangle substances from the large base and to maintain it really stable and incompressible relatively. And yeah, it's mainly about the thing. So, well, I will not just save it. Then I think is this. This one is the final model of the printing, and I want to use the Ultimaker printer, and I will use this application to print it out, then come to test whether I need to add some oil to make it move smoothly, or that I have to adjust some of the hose diameter, like the small gap, or the arm, or the gears, and so on. So that wait for the good news is, I hope you enjoy this video.